There's an agenda to pervert everything. And he needs to raise deliverers up to keep things pure. All you got to do is let him get in the room and take over. He gave you the keys to sin and death. I said, you got the keys. The keys.
I break the assignments of Jezebel that's been on the roots of your family. I break that assignment. Now I command everything by the power and the authority of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You come up and you come out of her right now in Jesus' name. All witchcraft spirits, go in Jesus' name. All occult spirits, go in Jesus' name. No more showing off. Every unclean thing, every perverse thing, go in Jesus' name. Yeah, freedom in Jesus' name. Let her go all the way. Let's go. Let it out. Yep, your assignment's done. Your time and her is over. It's over. It's over. Yep. It's gotta go. Yep. Everything tied to those unclean relationships too. I command it out. Yep. Out. You will rise up free. You will rise up a warrior of God. Yep. There you go. It's all coming out. You're free. You've been trapped, man, and now you're not trapped anymore. I can't wait till you hear that you ain't got no more health issues. Look, you're marked. You're marked for greatness. You're marked to do great things for Jesus. You're going to be doing some wild things for the Lord. See?
Yes, sir.
Just prepare your heart and stay close. I got a saying: forever changed, never the same.
Say, Jesus Christ, let your power fall on me. One more time. Jesus Christ, let your power fall on me. In Jesus' name. Receive it.